Let's answer the first big question. What is actually retargeting? Here's a typical scenario. Your website receives some sort of traffic. Either it's organic or paid traffic. What every website owner usually tries to do is capturing the contact information of these visitors in order to get in touch with them in future. Typically, you place a sidebar opt-in or exit pop-up on your website. However, and that's the big problem, the vast majority of your website visitors will not opt in, which is actually kind of sad because these people showed some interest in your website and in what you have to offer. So years ago, there was absolutely no chance to get in touch with these people unless you got their email address, okay? But thank God there is a new way to re-engage with those website visitors. And that tool, that feature is called retargeting or remarketing. So with retargeting, you're basically placing a retargeting pixel, which is nothing else than a JavaScript code on your website that gets triggered every single time when a visitor hits your website. This allows you to re-engage with that visitor the next time he logs into Facebook, even if you don't have his email address. And that's the beauty about it. That is so great about retargeting. You can re-engage with website visitors even though you don't have their email address, which is sometimes really hard to get. So you can segment your visitors into different retargeting lists and run laser targeted traffic campaigns. This way is way cheaper and way more efficient than reaching out to strangers using the interest targeting section who didn't land on your website yet. So that's the concept of retargeting. It's pretty simple. And in this course, you'll discover how to deploy advanced traffic and retargeting strategies to re-engage with your website visitors in a strategic way.